up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like.
Good morning, friends. We are at Escondido Place, Agua Thermales, Hot Springs. Jessica's already inside. Let's go check it out.
We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high. And we feeling that, feeling that vibe. We on that.
Hola, amigos.
We are at Escondido Place, Aguas Termales.
Yeah, we do it better. We don't ever care. Ignoring the pressure, like it's not even there. Nah, nah. We feeling ourselves in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy. This is how we do. Dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. Oh, cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high. And we feeling that, feel that vibe. We on that. We on that.
Alright, guys. Quick tour of the Agua Thermales at Escondido Place.
Corinthians 5.
Ah!
Burn me down to build me up, a palace made of jade, fall in love where I was meant to die. Oh, you made it alright. So this time I made a space for you. Men who can't fall don't touch the earth. Fear for the ones who can't hurt. Jade for a girl.
Good morning, friends.
We are on our second day, our last morning in San Miguel de Allende.
Yeah, it was 2 days ago we made the about 6-hour drive from Mazamitla to San Miguel de Allende. San Miguel de Allende has a population of about 72,000 people and sits at an elevation of about 1,900 meters. There's some beautiful sights here, some beautiful churches, but yesterday, what did we do, Jessica?
We enjoyed a half a day, I guess, at Escondido Place, which is some thermal waters or hot springs, and it was really cool. They had some indoor ones, and
Who treats me right, 'cause she never hurt me for the things that I feel. A boy who hates is a man that waits, with fire inside his eyes and not his heart. Oh, she is the sun and so much more. I was lost inside without open doors. Men who can't fall don't touch the earth. Fear for the ones who can't hurt. Jade for a girl who treats me right, 'cause she never hurt me for the things that I feel. Men that dreamt you up don't know the things they really love. I know they feel, I know what's real. Men that dreamt you up don't know the things they really love. I know for sure you are the cure. Men who can't fall don't touch the earth. Fear for the ones who can't hurt. Jade for a girl who treats me right, 'cause she never hurt me for the things that I feel. Men who can't fall don't touch the earth. Fear for the ones who can't hurt. Jade for a girl who treats me right, 'cause she never hurt me for the things that I feel.
hello friends, this is our room at Hotel Mikaella in San Miguel de Allende. Good king size bed.
I have AC, TV that we didn't use, lots of floating storage. We paid about $113 Canadian per night on booking.com. Nice bathroom and nice rain shower head. Really enjoyed that. Alrighty guys, we'll see you in the next bit.